Hi buddies, in this video I am going to tell you about top 15 traffic sources to build a profitable online business. If you are going to stay till the end of this video, I have two gifts for you. The first one is worth $33. It is a swipe file where you have 365 post ideas that you can build your influence and post on your social media and other platforms to get more traffic to your business. The second gift is I'll give you away my 36-page free ebook on how to build 11 best online business to start and grow in India with minimum to no investment. This is a beginner's guide. So as you know, traffic is the life and blood of any business. So if you want to grow your business or if you want to build your personal brand, you need to have traffic. You need to get visitors to your website or you need to get visitors to your assets, online assets such as blog or YouTube channel or Instagram or Facebook group. So you need to develop this number one skill. So these are the top 15 traffic sources that you can rely on. So all the social media traffic sources like Facebook, Google, YouTube, and on the other side you have paid ads such as Google AdWords and Facebook marketing. And here, the one thing that I want to tell you is like podcast and TikTok. These are the new traffic sources where you get more audience to your website. And you can also try solo ads if you are an affiliate marketer and if you have some budget. So solo ads is nothing but an influencer or a person who is into niche and build his or her own email list, a niche focused email list. So they will put this email list on this platform called Udemy, where you can buy those email list and you can send traffic to this list to make money or to drive traffic to your website. You just go to udemy.com and just sign up and find top rated solo influencers who have very good in email list and who have got more reviews and start testing yourself. And one more thing I just want to tell you is you can also syndicate or collaborate with the other influencers or other people who are in your industry and you can two or more people can come together and drive traffic to particular offer and get the email list so that you can use that email list to your other purpose like you sell your own online courses or you can send traffic or offers to that email list about your affiliate products and there are like content discovery platforms like Outbrain and Tabola and native ads. You can also do native ads where the your ads are blend into these platforms like Times of India, New York Times, and other platforms where you can advertise. So there are two types of traffic. One is free traffic and the other is paid traffic that I will discuss more in detail in this video. So free traffic is all your social media traffic like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Quora, TikTok, and your other new age traffic like podcast and Facebook Live and TikTok. These are the um, most uh, traffic sources that are giving good results for the internet marketers because as we are consuming more content in the form of videos, you can definitely try Facebook Live and IGTV, Instagram TV, and also you can also try podcast and get traffic. So this free traffic is, you know, it's a time intensive. So also like if you have a small team, you should invest money in the form of salaries and make people work on your content and bring traffic to your websites or your offers. And these are the different paid traffics that you can look into. The latest additions are Quora and TikTok, and these always the number one platform for our Indians is Facebook advertising and Google ads, Instagram ads, LinkedIn, and you can also try YouTube ads. So you master at least one traffic sources. You can master one traffic sources, and you can try two other traffic sources. So if you're into B2B, you can go for LinkedIn advertising. If you're into B2C and particularly you're targeting Indian audience, you have to definitely go with Facebook advertising. And you should know little about Google advertising and YouTube advertising. And if you are more into, if you have more video content, you can publish that into the YouTube and you can do some YouTube video ads. The number one takeaway that I want to tell you is don't waste any traffic. Don't waste even single click. Every click counts. So there should not be any leakage. So how this is possible? Like if you know by using Facebook Pixel or Google tracking code, you can track the traffic and using some tools called Click Magic, you can track every traffic and you can know from which source you are getting more traffic and other things. So this is how you retarget the people who have visited your website and follow them and make and imprint your brand. So you have to advertise and add more value content and give offers to every traffic that is coming to your website and don't waste even single traffic. So apart from giving what are the top traffic sources available for you as an online marketer or business owner, I just want to tell you in this video about how effectively you can manage the traffic and make more money. So this is the simple landing page funnel that I wanted to tell you. Uh, so that you can capture all your audience details and later using tools like autoresponder tools like GetResponse and ConvertKit, you can collect the email list and you can nurture them and you can add more exclusive content and you can also cross promote your most active social media channels. If you are more active on Facebook group or if you are more active on Instagram, you can always diverse your traffic to those channels and add more value to your audience, and then later you can sell or recommend products. So here, um, you have to send the organic traffic from your social media channels or Quora or any YouTube. So you have to send the traffic to a landing page, and whatever the traffic you are getting from your paid platforms like Facebook advertising and Google advertising, TikTok advertising, those traffic also you have to send to a specific landing page. Landing page is nothing but a uh, sales page which talks about a particular product or service in detail and convince your audience to give their details like email, name, and phone number, so that you can send more valuable content through email freely. So when you nurture your audience and when you add more value to your audience, at the later point, they will be ready to pay you, because when you add more value, when you are giving so much of free content on the social media, YouTube channel, and when you are giving free offers like ebook or any other swipe files or consultant call. So people feel that this guy is giving so much of information, so much of value he's providing freely. So what if I buy from him a premium course? Or like if you are recommending suitable tools to your audience to grow their business, they'll definitely going to buy from your affiliate link so that you get a commission. So this is a simple landing page funnel that you have to implement in your online business when you are driving traffic to your website. So plan a landing page, uh, drive traffic to that landing page, and collect this email uh, of your audience, and then you also introduce your most active these social media channels. And by doing this, when you continuously add value, people will buy your products, or when you recommend other products, they'll definitely buy from you. So this is the in detailed landing page funnel overview. So when you get traffic from the social media, from all Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, and all, you have to redirect to a landing page, and your Quora platform and whatever the value you are providing there, you also redirect the traffic to the landing page. And if you have a blog, it's good. You can also give away some swipe files or ebooks, and you can collect emails, and all these paid channels, Facebook ads, TikTok ads, Google ads, and if you have good budget, you can go for solo ads and other native ads, and send that traffic to a particular landing page describing about your product or service or your offer. So if you are giving this offer for a free, that's good. You can collect the email list, and then when you nurture your audience consistently over email, at the later stage, as I told you, those people will buy from you. And you can also divert your traffic to your most active social media platform. So you can start your own Telegram group or WhatsApp group. You can have your own Facebook Messenger, or you can have your own Slack community or Facebook dedicated Facebook group. So where you give more value to your audience in that channel, so that you gain the trust of your audience. So these are the tools that you need when you are trying to get traffic. So landing page builders like Elementor, Thrive Architect, ClickFunnels, or Igloo. You can use any of these landing page builder, and you should also use autoresponders, nothing but email marketing tools such as GetResponse and ConvertKit. And you should put some amount. You should invest in your business and run ads on Facebook platform or Google or YouTube. And to automate uh, the repetitive tasks, you can use Zapier. It's an automation tool. You can just Google over and just find out about this Zapier, or I will create one more video on Zapier, and I'll put over here in this YouTube channel. And you can also, if you are more active on the Facebook Messenger chatbot, you can use ManyChat to automate the things over there. So as of now, in the starting days, you can just have a landing page builder and an autoresponder. And I recommend to invest some money and learn at least one traffic source. So these are the takeaways that I would like you to um, have is always add value at every step of your online business to gain the trust of your audience, and giveaway offers such as ebooks, mini course, or free consultant call, or give them some case studies. And you should also provide more exclusive content through emails that is not available on your social media channels, and that is also not available on your blog post, so that you make your audience special. So it's always you have to solve their your audience pain points, and their starting problems, and their you know other things like their wants and needs, and what are their barriers to move forward. And you always build a community, a Facebook group community, or your own Telegram channel or Slack community that you control, and you no need to pay money again to get the traffic. So the important thing that you should keep in mind is that you should never waste single click. You should never waste the traffic. Always keep track of your traffic. If you're using Facebook as a traffic source, learn about the pixel. And if you're doing Google AdWords, use Google tracking codes and track every traffic, and do retarget ads so that you will be in your audience minds always. Yeah, as I promised earlier in this video, I've just given the link to get the two free gifts that I promised. You can get the links in the description of this video, both the swipe file of the post ideas for complete 1 year, and this free ebook. And that's all from this video. If you like the value that I provided here, just comment, ask your questions, join my Facebook group so that I give more value added content and help you to move forward in your online business journey. And subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that bell button to get the notifications. I'm going to do more and more videos related to traffic and funnels and what are the best online business, and I'm going to put more case studies, and whatever I am learning and getting results, I'm going to share, and I'm going to be transparent in this whole journey and put all these things in this YouTube channel. Thank you very much.